Thank you so much for speaking to Bloomberg Quint.
Thank you for having me.
Your team has already spoken about the Thought Factory. Could you tell us a little more about what you intend to achieve through the Thought Factory?
There's so much happening in financial services. I think banking itself is perhaps not changing because people are sort of lending, borrowing, buying investments, what have you. But the way it is being delivered is completely changing. The expectations from the millennials has changed and will continue to evolve. Technology is changing. And I think for banks like us to be able to keep up with this rapid change, there is innovation and digitization and the use of digital within various parts of the bank anyway. But I think for us to be able to get more nimble and to be able to sort of collaborate with the outside world, which is really creating some of this technology, creating new solutions and ideas. We've decided to set up this innovation lab. We are the first Indian bank to set up this innovation lab called Thought Factory in Bangalore. We have our innovation team of our own. They will work on innovation, but they will also collaborate with startups. The way that we're doing this is we will invite startups. We're actually traveling across 6 to 8 cities, inviting startups to sort of participate.
Is the major benefit for Axis Bank early access to technology?
It is. I think it is a recognition of the fact that in this world, it is very important to have a collaborative framework, and therefore to be able to collaborate with startups. And it's like we were just talking. It's a win-win on both sides. The startup has now the capability to work with a large brand, financial services brand in India, to be able to sort of maybe think of scale for the solution. For us, it is the ability to use that solutioning and technology capabilities for us to work much faster and take some of these solutions to be able to make banking simple for our consumers.
Lastly, how big is the team that you've set up over there, and what really is the CapEx going into it? I would assume
the CapEx is it's a leased property, and so therefore in that sense CapEx is not a lot. We're currently about 7-8 people. We think that that number will go to about 20 by the end of the year, and it's a revolving door. So we will have somewhere between, let's say, 6 to 10 startups working within this space at any point in time.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking to Bloomberg Quint.
Like I said, thank you for having me.